Guys, it is time to talk about Apecoin again, because right now I think it is starting to move. Very, very close, but it just might be starting to move. Now, the other thing we're gonna talk about Apecoin, the reason is because somebody in our private Telegram group posted a link to the chats on X, and he says, let me be absolutely blunt with you. If your favorite altcoin chart still looks bad below May 2022 levels, after the last 6 months of this fantastic price action, it's time to move on. Let it go. Unfortunately, it is below May 2022 levels. But let me tell you right now, number one, I am biased towards upside because I own a whole bunch of Apecoin. On the other hand, I do not believe he's right. I do believe that, it might be true for some older coins, but Apecoin is a relatively new coin. It came on the second pump, or right after the second pump. After the second pump in the previous bull market. If you remember, previous bull market in Bitcoin had 2 pumps, and on the second pump, Apecoin got launched. It got launched at a really, really bad time. So if you look at a chart of Apecoin, it had a small initial pump and it just crashed towards the downside. So we don't actually know what the price discovery of the Apecoin is. Right now, over here, all-time high, the wicks on the all-time high. Let's go to the monthly time frame up here to see up here. The wicks up here are $29. The close is at $20. Can we get to these levels again? It kind of depends. It kind of depends. But if we do the move above 20, 30 bucks towards the upside over here, then we get into the price discovery. And I truly believe right now that there is a good chance to get into the price discovery. And the reason for that being that right now Apecoin is sitting like something like, $500 million market cap. And I'm, really bullish on Apecoin. So, doing something like, I don't know how much this is, because it went down to the $1 over here towards the downside. 0.9, give or take $1 up here, it went to the $1. So, towards the resistance level up here from the $1, that's already, 20x. Doing a 20x move from $500 million market cap, it puts you only at 10 million market cap. Imagine Apecoin being at 10 million market cap at the bull market top when Dogecoin is gonna be at 100 billion market cap. It just doesn't make sense. So I do believe that, eventually Apecoin will get into the price discovery area, and we will talk about that at that point. But right now, look what's happening on the charts, guys. And this is right now why we are having this video over here. You see this very, very nice line over here, this channel that was playing out for a while. Let's go to the weekly time frame up here and zoom in nicely over here. So this is the line over here, give or take up here. It goes something like this up here. I really like this move up here, and these bottoms down there, and we're gonna remove that, and we're gonna put this over here. So you can see right now that the previous week we actually came and closed just on the dollar on that resistance level. This is what we call accumulation zone down here. Technically, accumulation zone is over here. It started down here, accumulation zone. It was zigzagging up here. It fell through the, this over here is a Bitcoin capitulation. When Bitcoin went down, Bitcoin capitulated. This is June 2022. Then we did the 2 nice moves up here. It created a nice support level up here. This is capitulation inside the accumulation zone. So this is the first accumulation zone. This is the second accumulation zone. It fell through that, and right now it went into this, downtrending channel that was accumulation zone for Apecoin. And you can see right now that we are getting out of that accumulation zone right now. This candle over here, this is a weekly candle, is gonna close in 10 hours. So it's, this is a weekly candle, it lasts for 7 days, but it's gonna close in 10 hours. And as long as we can manage to close above these levels over here, and you can see also these tops up here, we can close above a previous top over here towards the upside, this pivot point that we had over here. So what we're gonna have is higher high, which is actually very bullish, structure on the chart. And right now that's the only thing I'm looking at right now for the first move to happen. The big moves haven't started yet, guys, because this is gonna go to 20x over here from the bottom towards up here. It's very, very easy to do that. And the first move is just not done yet, but it's getting very, very close. And this is the only thing I'm looking for. So right now I'm looking for this week to close above this previous high, create some kind of consolidation up here, maybe even a pullback, even a retest, something like that. And then to go, the first levels to go above is these highs over here, right? So you can see these bottoms down here. There is a line over here, give or take. So it goes something like this up here. You can put it down here. Let's put it over here. That's around 2 point something bucks, right? 2.68 bucks. But as soon as it's out of that level, it's gonna go to the, I think it might go very, very high after that. I won't speculate too much, and we're gonna come back to another video to that, to those levels. But right now it's breaking towards upside, and as soon as it actually creates a higher here on the chart, what we have on the chart is right now a rising channel up here. You can see this rising channel over here. This rising here. Let me remove this channel so you can see this. Then we're gonna have this channel, and then this channel is alpha and omega, right? Then this channel is going to go maybe zigzag up here, consolidate, get out of the channel up here, consolidate, break the 2.6 levels, and then it's, you know, 3 moves towards upside. But again, the only thing I care about right now on the next move is for this candle to close above 1.7, 1.8, give or take. Let's say 1.8, since it's very nice round number. That's it, guys. That's it. You know, and it's very good because if you're like, you know, if you're an Apecoin like I am, you know, we don't want, you know, to pump too fast, you know, too fast. We want slow pumps towards upside and then pump fast when, you know, retail gets here. Guys, down below in the comments, tell me if you like Apecoin and what's the next big thing on Apecoin, because I really don't know what the next big thing on Apecoin is, but I've seen some metaverse talk. We also got a public Telegram channel for everybody to talk about their favorite altcoins. We got a nice, you know, topics and stuff like that. Check that out. We also got a private Telegram group, TFS, have been there through entire bear market, buying down, you know, Bitcoin at 20k, you know, 15k, stuff like that. You know, we've been bullish since, you know, June 2022, extremely bullish. Check that out as well. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you in another video, guys. Bye bye. Where's my outro? Here.